Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you turn off Snapchat notifications. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now from here, tap on your profile picture on the upper left corner and tap on the settings icon. Now here, you can tap on notifications. So you can turn off notifications for Bitmoji's notification, stories, trending topics, friend suggestions, and so on. So you have the ability to turn these individual things off. But if you want to turn off notifications for Snapchat entirely, you can go ahead and go to your settings, scroll down, go to your apps, and here we can just search for Snapchat. Tap on notifications and turn off the toggle that says allow notifications. So this is going to turn off all notifications from your Snapchat. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.